Yo, what's the deal, everybody? It's your boy Train G's with G. This evening, this video is going to be on the number three stock in the market as of now, as the time of recording is June 1st, 2024, and that company is Nvidia. How am I going to have a trade options channel if I don't talk about Nvidia? Arguably the best AI stock, the leading AI stock. Artificial intelligence has been here for the last several years, and now is the time to really keep your eyes glued and open to this company. If you're not into tech, you better be keeping it on your watch list. This stock is just overinflated and overvalued. I slightly went over that in an AMD video about a month ago. I'm gonna be doing a three-part series with this company. I'm gonna explain today the stock split that's been going on, that's about to happen. That stock split is coming up on June 10th. This is gonna be a 1 to 10 split. I'm gonna get into the chart analysis. I'm gonna give y'all my opinion, my thoughts on whether you should trade this post earnings before split in just a second. I gotta tell y'all about the stock split that's happening. So this just came in just a few days ago. They're gonna do a 10 to 1 stock split, excuse me, not a 1 to 10. So right now the price of Nvidia is about $1,100, slightly below. I just showed you on the chart, 1096.33 exactly. So let's just say 1,100. If you own one Nvidia stock prior to this date, when the split happens on June 10th, Monday, your stock is gonna go from $1,100 to $100 or $110, excuse me. So you will own 10 shares at $110 rather than one stock at $1,100. The market cap will not change. The value of the stock will be exactly the same. Companies do stock splits to make their shares more attractive to lower and middle class investors like myself, like I always say, and you guys tuning in. If you're a high-end investor, this is even a better move for y'all, because now if you own Nvidia, now you could pick up fragments of this company, and less is more. That's a real saying. So would I buy this stock right now before the stock split? No. Would I have bought it before earnings? Definitely not. This stock has been blowing up all year long. It is very high risk, high reward, or high risk, high defeat or loss. I'm gonna show you guys why this stock can make people so much money, not only as an investor, but as a swing trader or day trader. So right here is Robinhood. This is the Nvidia trade options contracts. If you were to get into a put option, if you think this stock is going to go down by the end of next week, June 7th, this isn't $36. You have to times this by 100. This is $3,660 for one contract that's going to last you till Friday. Anytime there's a split or reverse split coming, it's very, very dangerous to trade a stock like this. The volatility is 54%, so it's slightly high. When earnings was happening the week before, I believe it was May 23rd, 24th, this volatility was like over 100%. So it's not the most implied volatility stock, but it pretty much is when you look at the amount of money you have to drop to purchase this. This is just a in the money put option. If you want to do out the money put, you save 500, but now you're pretty much gotta hope it comes down here. You're gonna spend less money. And if you see my buying power, y'all, this isn't accurate, but as of now, I would never put most or all my money into one trade. That is absolutely insane. That is gambling, brother. If you have skills like me If you've been doing it for 5 years, 10 years, I don't care how old you are. If you have a certain amount of money, you only want to do about 5-10% of every trade and put a stop loss on every single contract you do. Me personally, I set up stop losses on my trading view charts, like I've told y'all, but I watch my trades when I trade. But however, with Nvidia, my personal opinion, I will not buy anything until this completely dips, which it will. Most likely, it's going to be a sell off just like earnings. If you do a call, it's a little more affordable as of now. Things will change Monday morning coming up. You're going to spend about $28.80 or $2,900 for it in the money call. And for out the money call, you're looking at 26. But all this fluctuates, as you know. Ever since earnings has happened, this stock has gone ballistic. So it was on 23rd, and the day before, this stock was under 1,000. It was $949, 950, and it jumped all the way up to, whoo, sheesh, it jumped all the way up to 1,150. So it's been up about $200 since the earnings. This is the day chart. I had the hour chart for y'all. So on this day chart, as you can see, it's been slightly tanking ever since it hit that new all-time high. Based on this candlestick pattern, this is going to go up because it started off at 1,120. It slightly went up to 1,125. Then it dipped all the way down to like 1,065. And it closed the day out at 1,095. This looks like it's going to continue going up. If you have money, if you're watching my channel, I would say be careful. Even if you have about, let's say, 10, 20, 50,000 worth of money for your buying power, this still take a hit on you if you're not careful with this. The day after the stock split is going to be the dividend. It's nothing really that's going to get you excited. It's only going to be a cent. So there's a stock split in 2021. People were getting 16 cents a share back then, and it was a 4-to-1 stock split. So this is an equal amount. If you owned for every 4, you would get 16 cents now. And so now you're going to get only 1 cent a share. I actually think that's a better deal because since this is a 10-to-1 split, if you divide 4 cents by 10, you will get slightly less than half a penny. You will have 4/10 of a cent. So they're actually giving you 0.006 worth extra of a dividend. So if you've been a long-term investor of Nvidia since like this started, the dividend in 2012, you're definitely eating. I don't know how you don't sell if you've been holding for that long, if you make it that long. But for all those original Nvidia investors, shout out to y'all. I'm gonna do another video about the history of the company, what they're currently doing, as well as their earnings. It's just too much to cover in one video. Over here, I'm gonna show y'all how much the market cap for Nvidia has gone up in the past week. Well, since earnings. So their earnings date was on the 22nd. I'm just double checking. So since May 22nd, this company was worth $2.3 billion on trillion. I don't know why they got the B there. I'm gonna show y'all the market cap of these big companies in a second. So this is worth 2.3 trillion, and right on the 29th it went to 2.8. So this company has gone up $500 billion since the earnings, and it's slightly tanked down to 2.7 trillion. And I'm gonna show y'all proof. I don't know why these websites be wrong with their metric units. Good Lord, get some people that know how to count. So Nvidia, if you ask me, this is gonna be the #1 stock in the world by market cap. It recently passed, oh man, I can't believe I'm saying this. It's past Google Amazon, Meta, all this year. This stock has been going ballistic. It has been going nuts. There's only 6 stocks in the whole S&P that are worth $1 trillion plus. So if you ask me, in the next upcoming years, Nvidia is going to hit 19, $11 trillion worth of market cap. It is already outperforming the entire stock market. If you look at Tesla, it's worth $567 billion. That is a gang of money. So the fact that this company is worth more than Tesla and JP Morgan, Broad.com combined is just insane. The fact that it's slightly worth less than Google and Amazon combined is even crazier. This company, I'm telling y'all, is really gonna change the game. I will wait, like I said, after this is over with, after the stock split, after the dividends. Stocks can be very volatile on stock splits, reverse splits, as well as dividend dates and earnings calls. This is what the website looks like. So pretty much, I'm gonna get into this in another video, but they're making a killing off these computer processing units as well as graphic processing units. They sell laptops, they sell PCs. They're making a killing off of that. Heading to next week, I'll be very, very careful. If you have big bank, if you're trading this, volatility will pick up leading up to June 10th, as well as dividends on the 11th. And this June 11th day is the same day GameStop drops their earnings. As y'all know, I've been covering that lately. So that's going to add more volatility to the market because it's the best meme stock out there. But yeah, I'm going to tell y'all this for the last time. Do not get into this stock if you're going to put down $1,100 on one share. You never, ever, ever want to trade when a stock is at an all-time high. It is just not great financial advice. Look at how low this thing was back in 99. Why would you buy anything at this point? We need a dip. We need a dip to at least 1,000 or like $900-800. So after the split, I would say sub $100, around 90, 95, 85, $80. Even 70 if it goes that low will be a strong buy for this. I wouldn't touch this thing with a 10-foot or 100-foot pole. But if you're doing trade options, like I said, y'all be careful. Do not do it if you don't have enough capital. If you can't risk 5 or 10% of your money comfortably, just keep it on your watch list. But that's it. This your boy G, aka Train G's with G. I'm out.